Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing our Hokkaido journey day 1. So starting with the high-level itinerary, we left Tokyo and arrived at the New Chitoshi Airport in Hokkaido. And then we took a JR train to go to the Toya Station. It took us around 2 hours and we took a city bus to get to the resort we were staying for the night. Vinny found this resort called the Lake View Toya Nonokaze Resort. It is a 4-star hotel and offers onsen as well. It runs around $350 USD per night. I'll put a link below for your convenience if you are interested to check out. Starting with the Haneda Airport, we got into the Power Lounge because Vinny has an American Express Platinum card and it offers a priority pass, so we were able to get into this lounge for free. If you are debating to get the card or not, I highly recommend it because you get into a lot of lounges for free and it saves your time and money as well. And we will put the American Express referral link below if you are interested to open one. This was my first time flying Japan Airline, and Vinny booked a seat called Class J, which is equal to business class, and there's first class as above. Was business class worth it? I think yes, because Vinny's 5'9" and he had plenty of leg room. Of course, I had plenty of leg room as well since I'm only 5'1". You cannot fully lay down, but you can recline with the footrest, like this. Whee! One unique thing about this plane is you can see a bird's-eye view of the plane. It's pretty cool. Snack time, actually more drink time. That offers you a variety of fruit drinks and teas, and unique thing is they give you a bone broth as well. So we decided to try it and it tastes decently good. Tastes like I'm drinking MSG, but yeah, it tastes good. So after we arrived, we were waiting for our JR train to go Toya Station. We bought a bunch of snacks because we were hungry. I think when you're hungry, you keep buying a lot of stuff. This, we thought it's gonna be spicy. It was not spicy at all. Not spicy. After 2 hours ride, we arrived at the Toya Station and we took a local bus to get to our resort, which you need to pay cash to get this ticket. For your information, you see this number 2 in the ticket. That means you have to pay number 2, which is showing 210 yen, so you have to pay 210 yen for your ride. After 5 hours of travel journey, we finally arrived at our resort. This is a 4-star resort, so it looks kind of fancy. We did not really expect this, honestly, because Vinny and I did not really plan for this visit much. So when we got in here, oh, it looks very fancy in here. And honestly, they listed as a 4-star hotel, but their service is almost 5-star. So I highly recommend you to visit here if you're ever going to Hokkaido. I think it's a nice place, especially if you're going with your parents as well. The reason I say they offers like 5-star hotel because when you arrive at the lounge, they actually serve you welcome tea and snacks. It was very interesting. We didn't really expect this, honestly, and it was very good.
Hot.
They offer English information. They actually have a private onsen, so we actually booked that because it's limited availability. So if you're planning to have a private session, you should book it immediately when you check in. We got a room on 7th floor, and let me give you a room tour. Here you go. Before dinner, we went to onsen to relax. The highlight of this resort is the onsen. You can see this amazing view. During the day, you will see the lake. During the night, it's dark, but it's very cool. And in a later video, I will also show my private onsen video with Vinny. That's something we also booked privately in advance. So this resort offers breakfast and dinner for a buffet style, and we really did not expect this. They have so many options of food. So many, we don't know where to start from. We know Hokkaido is known for very good food and we were very excited, but they have a lot of food here with different type of country foods. And they have so many sushi options. Look at this. They actually make you sushi here. Of course, I won't say it's the best sushi, but it was decent. I really enjoyed it. They have a lot of selections. The overall food was very good and all the staffs were very friendly here. What's this ugly?
Hey, it's called Vincent Van Gogh art.
So ugly.
Hey, it doesn't matter, it's good.
Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Bye.
Bye. Good night.
Good morning. Running? Purple. So as I mentioned earlier, this is our private ryokan we booked in advance. And we came in early morning. I think that it was the first slot before we want to eat the breakfast. We want to do the ryokan so we can eat breakfast and leave this resort. After our private onsen, we came to eat breakfast. Like dinner, there's so many options for breakfast as well. I feel like half of my footage of this video is breakfast menu and dinner menu.
What?
Is that Sean?
It means simmered scallops and sweet gyoza.
Oh, gyoza soup. Freshly squeezed apple juice. Cheers. 맛있어?
Good. Breakfast is good.
Yeah, that's my cereal.
Mine.
아저씨. 아저씨. 아저씨.
엄마.
I'm not 아줌마.
No.
You are 아줌마. You are 아저씨. Do it together. 1, 2, 3. And this was our first day of Hokkaido. We'll be continue showing our next day of the journey of Hokkaido. Hope you enjoyed our video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!